Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
She enjoys reading books. Moreover, she loves writing stories. The weather was bad. Nevertheless, they decided to go for a hike. He missed the train, therefore he arrived late to the meeting. I wanted to go out, however it started raining. He didn't prepare for the presentation. Consequently, he struggled during it. Study hard, otherwise you might fail the exam. She was working. Meanwhile, he was watching TV. He studied hard. Consequently, he aced the exam. The movie was long. Nevertheless, I enjoyed it. He was tired, however he continued working. They went to the beach. Nevertheless, it was a rainy day. She was running late, therefore she missed the bus. He loves pizza. Moreover, he enjoys making it from scratch. She saved money. However, she couldn't afford the concert tickets. He forgot his umbrella. Therefore, he got soaked in the rain. The traffic was heavy. Consequently, we arrived late to the party. The store was closed, therefore, they went to another one. The prices were high, however, they decided to wait for a sale. He apologized for his mistake. Furthermore, he made sure not to repeat it. The project was challenging. Nevertheless, they managed to complete it on time. She's talented. Moreover, she's humble. The road was closed, therefore we had to take a detour. He was sick. Nevertheless, he went to work. They were tired, however, they continued hiking. He's busy with work. Nevertheless, he always finds time for his family. The movie was long. Nevertheless, it kept my attention. They missed the bus. Consequently, they had to walk home. He forgot to bring his textbook, therefore he borrowed one from a classmate. She studied hard for the test. Consequently, she passed with flying colors. The concert tickets were expensive. Nevertheless, they decided to stay home. He enjoys playing tennis. Furthermore, he also likes swimming. The train was delayed. Consequently, we had to find an alternate mode of transport. She missed the deadline. Consequently, she had to ask for an extension. He wanted to buy a new car. However, he decided to save money instead.
Thanks for watching.